Who is moaning? What is happening?
Bro, if I get one more Papa Tit, I'm actually shut up. Look at this.
Damn, bro, he raging. He bust that shit up.
Man,
Crazy.
he in love with my best friend.
What is he? What? You messy.
My brother like my best friend.
Shit, I see it. She tough.
Oh hell no.
She tough.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay, that was one point.
Like damn. Always motherfucking talking.
No, bro, I'm sorry.
Shit like that.
What's good?
Bro, what's good, my brother?
Very nice.
Oh, you just chilling. What are you doing today?
What you bloody talking about?
Oh, we got Australian. Hold on,
Oh, we
hold
got
on.
ourselves Saint Andrew. Where are you from?
Right.
I don't know the whole planet. Where are you fucking from? Jamaica? Is that
Something
it?
like that. Something like that.
I don't know what you're saying, man. You're certainly not speaking English.
That's English, bro. Like, what are you on about, bro? What are you on about?
When I speak, I enunciate each and every word clearly, precisely, accurately, with a little space, so you can comprehend me. Clearly, me no comprehendi you. So a little tweaking of the way you speak to me shows you respect me a little bit. You repeating yourself exactly the same fucking way like my woman, you stupid cunt, makes you a stupid cunt. Okay, boy? Now fuck off.
Ma'am.
Hey sir. Sir.
Sir, you from the South?
Yeah, very much.
Oh, so that's why you got but you ain't got no accent though.
Well, I don't gotta have an accent.
Your area don't got an accent?
What you expect? I mean, some, maybe, maybe not.
I'm hearing it a little bit. Like when you talk, I'm hearing it a little bit. Like there's a little accent. A little bit.
A little bit. Quiet, quiet.
Like where you from?
Georgia.
You from Georgia? And you don't got the accent? Nah.
Macon. No. We don't have accent down here.
You got an
We
accent.
just
You
talk
got that.
regular.
You got that.
No,
Like you
no,
close
I
to
don't.
Atlanta?
Okay. Yeah.
And you don't got the Atlanta? Come on, man. Come on, man.
I don't see. I don't got no accent.
You got that Atlanta accent. I can hear it on you. I can't hear it. You got that Atlanta accent.
No, I don't. I'm
Say
scared he's gonna
say
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 it. Okay.
shot it. Say shot it.
Shawty.
Man, you might not.
Alright.
You might be like, hey, shot it.
I know. Hey, shawty.
You say so polite. Like, damn, bro.
What's so? Uh,
Like
I
you gotta
figured.
keep it real. You mean a real hood nigga with it? Like, hey, shot it.
I don't know how to do that.
Ain't nobody ever like called you be like, hey, shot it.
I'm just telling you I don't. Okay.
Shit. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. What's going on, player?
This is Mr. Dr. Incorporated.
Who he talking about?
I'm bro in the dark. Like, whatever.
I can't be in the dark.
I'm not judging. I was just saying, yo, what's going on?
Oh, money speak.
Like, y'all like a
Hey,
duo?
Yeah, this is my homegirl.
Oh, yo, homegirl. What's good, homegirl?
hey.
Oh, you thought I was a man? Hello. We
Bessie, shut up on the phone. Stay on the phone. With that big forehead of yours.
Hey, you're very
Looking like the Cookie Monster. Shut up.
I mean, you can't say too much. You can't say too much. You got a big ass forehead too. Damn, chill out.
What?
Like your shit start way
Okay, so
back
which one of
here.
y'all want to get? Okay, so which one of y'all want to get? Hold on, cause which one of y'all want to get red? Bessie, you want to get red, or that boy you want to get red? Which one of y'all want to get red? Cause y'all not double teaming my homegirl. So which one of y'all want to get red?
Right. He getting red first. No, cause who is he feeling like? Who is he feeling like?
Like what
Yep.
everybody saying for me
Yep.
for?
Your little wide neck self. Yes, I'm talking about you. Yep. Go ahead and read him first.
Nah, if, if
Bitch,
we
I
bitten, we
know,
can
I
bit.
know, I
If
know
we
that, I
bit, we
know.
can bit.
Damn. Damn.
Damn,
Damn.
damn,
Damn.
damn,
Damn.
damn. Shot it. Damn, shot
Damn.
it.
Damn. Damn, son.
Damn, shot it. Damn.
Oh, Scarlett, he's flirting with.
Be really soaked in real life. Like I'm not even gonna lie. Niggas want to
Yeah.
like care on the
Big
internet.
BX. What am I
These
dead?
niggas in real life,
What am I dead, my nigga? What am I dead?
but my dad, bro. Popping. What you into?
Shit, I'm chilling out here trying to get some shit popping, you know what I'm saying?
Yo,
Yo,
talk, bro.
oh, you too,
Huh?
nigga? What's wrong with you? You want niggas to talk. Like, what's wrong with you, bro?
Bro. Why are you faking? Why are you pushing your voice, bro? You don't really sound like that, bro. Wallahi,
See,
bro.
that, like, this the thing with
Wallahi, you don't
niggas,
sound
bro.
like that,
Like,
bro.
niggas always think everything's fake, nigga. Like, bro, chill out, fool.
They be
Chill
acting
out.
on here, bro.
You know what I'm saying? It's good.
Yeah, I do.
Hey, yeah, you getting it. You getting it, you know what I'm saying?
Of course.
Memphis.
Can you open your mouth right quick?
Y'all finna play some music?
Open your mouth.
Whoa, what are you
Yeah, can you
talking
open your
about?
mouth?
What are you talking about? Pause.
Can you open your mouth, bro?
Hell nah.
Open your mouth.
Hell nah.
Bro,
Pause.
come on. Alright, this one you need this hoe. Pupperies. That what you need?
You lame as hell.
You low-key got ugly.
You lame as
Who?
hell.
Who?
Lame ass.
You said what?
You lame as hell.
Your waiting ass. That's why your phone glitching. Dirty ass. Let me put it on the charger.
That's why you come with them lame ass jokes. What's good, ma?
Don't even
What's good,
ask the
ma?
question. Hmm?
What's good, ma?
What's good? You better not ask me the question. Bro, if I
What?
get one more Papa Tit, I'm actually getting it. Shut up.
Niggas be asking that? That's
It's
so
so
shady.
annoying.
I'm gonna crash out on this game already. I'm gonna
That's
crash
what
out
it's
on you if you keep talking. Like, just play your
sick.
Minecraft and shut up.
Y'all
Sorry.
see did the shit.
What?
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, what about it? Oh, wanna go, wanna know, wanna know. What
Who is moaning? What is happening?
Moaning. No, it's just singing her. It's because she got a rose in her. It's stuck. No, we're just kidding.
Right.
Have a blessed mom.
Saying.
Hello.
Bitch, I'm from Memphis. What you know about me? Big GLO in the GLE. Damn. Damn.
You good, bro?
Nah, you good. Nah, you good, bro. You good. You good. You good. Uzi. You look young as hell.
Is that supposed to be good or bad?
I don't know. How old is you? I think it's bad.
So what?
How old is you? Yeah, I think it might be bad.
I'm just playing.
Might be bad.
Can you please shake that ass for me?
Yeah. And on that note, YouTube, we out. Peace for white people, man.
Quickly forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I couple with drugs. I don't know when my time gonna come. I'm at the bottom, back where I begun.
Shining, my boy, you ain't shining. But like that, you ain't shining. But like that.